Welcome everyone to the Blender 4 Modeling and Geometry Node Workshop. I'm Neil from 3D Tudor and I'm excited to guide you on a captivating journey into the realm of fantasy architecture. In this nearly 30-hour long course, we'll harness the full power of Blender 4 to create a magical wizard's tower, combining ancient sorcery with modern 3D modeling techniques. Now let's dive into what this course has to offer. We'll start with a comprehensive referencing guide. You'll learn how to source images, how to draw your own buildings, and use tools like PureRev to organize images for everything from mood settings to forest environments and architectural lighting. Next, understanding the importance of a strong foundation, we'll cover grey boxing, how to lay out grey boxes that not only structure your model but also tell a story. Every AAA game you've ever played always starts with a grey box, and we'll integrate lighting and ambient occlusion right from the start to create amazing scenes that lays the groundwork for your fancy buildings. Modelling is at the heart of this course, from simple stone blocks to intricate stairways and fancy lamps. We're building everything alongside each other together, and that means you'll learn the very basics of modelling all the way up to professional techniques. We'll cover everything from shaders and UV mapping. All of this done in real time with nothing missed out. This unique course also includes a complete resource pack with 8 custom geometry nodes created here at 3D Tudor, making tasks like roofs and stair building as seamless as possible. Professionals created these nodes for other professionals, which means they're incredibly easy to use, and what's more, you can use them in all of your future personal projects. This will quite simply revolutionize the way that you approach modeling and scenes in the future. Next, we'll be delving into environment sculpting using Blender's robust sculpting tools. I'll show you how a few brushes and techniques are all you need to craft stunning rock and soil landscapes. Plus, the mystique of vertex painting will no longer be a mystery because we also cover in this course our full vertex shader setup. And with this, you'll learn how to blend terrain textures directly in Blender, creating intricate pathways and rocky terrains. For those looking to add vibrant life to their scenes, our introduction to weight painting will teach you how to create lush meadows and blooming flowers. You will learn how to pair geometry nodes with weight painting, meaning you'll never be stuck again, creating beautiful scenes that really come to life. Lastly, the art of compositing and rendering will take your projects to that next level. Our complete compositing guide covers everything from layering scenes to mastering emission and ambient occlusion setups. Not to mention effective color grading techniques, which will add that final touch of atmosphere to your scenes. So if you're ready to start your journey with me into the realm of Blender 4, then let's get started. Happy modeling everyone, cheers.